You have no idea what you're dealing with here. And I felt responsible to warn you. They killed Sasha. You might be next.
Someone like you, you have limited role options to begin with. You need to get out more, network.
I have a role in mind that I think you'd be perfect for.
Have you heard of a feature film called Bird of Paradise? There's a supporting but very crucial role that's yet to be cast.
I got a role in a studio film.
The Bird of Paradise.
Does the name Sasha Lovett mean anything to you?
Just so happens that she was cast in the same role as you before she disappeared.
I just woke up today and now my name is everywhere.
Honestly, he offered me some money.
I'm probably imagining things.
It wouldn't surprise me if someone from her past finally caught up with her.
If we're going good, do not pursue this any further.